Hi everyone, hope you're all keeping safe. Flooding is a temporary overflow of water onto land that is normally dry. Floods are the most common natural disasters in most places. Failing to evacuate flooded areas or entering floodwaters can lead to injury or death.
Hello, I'm Damian Mitchell. Emergency responders had to evacuate several residents of Westmeade Willows in Portmore, St. Catherine as persistent rainfall overnight and poor drainage resulted in flooding.
What you're seeing, at least 50% of the water have been subsided already. So it's only going to get worse.
Jamaica experiences two rainy seasons, the first being in May, ending in June, and the second lasting from September to November. On Wednesday, the 22nd of November 2017, the community of Westmeade Willows in Portmore experienced flooding that was caused by the blocking of a main earthen drain due to the non-cleaning, especially at the exit of the drain. Flooding is a serious event that can cause fatalities and serious injuries to people who are trapped or swept away by high waters. Flooding can also cause thousands of dollars of damage to homes, disrupt transportation routes, disrupt utility services, pollute drinking water and supplies, cause erosion, damage to roads and other important facilities, bridges, levees and buildings, create landslides or mudslides. In October 2020, the Portmore Municipal Council, PMC, began cleaning the main drain that runs alongside German Road in front of Westmeade Willows. As such, the work is almost done, and the residents of Westmeade Willows and adjoining communities are breathing a sigh of relief. We must say well done to the Portmore Municipal Council. Our environment is changing all the time as the ways we live, travel, produce and consume goods evolve. This ranges from the construction of new housing and transport infrastructure to waste and water treatment plants, and from shifting technologies in energy and industry to more intensive forms of agriculture to meet society's needs. All of these changes and development have an impact on our natural environment. If planned well, and in cooperation with the people that may be affected by them, developments like these can make our lives and the lives of future generations better. Sometimes though, development can lead to serious environmental problems and irreversible degradation. This can put people's life, people's health, safety and quality of life at serious risk. Having a say in how your environment changes, from being involved in decisions at the local level to being made aware of potential environmental risk, and in the event of a problem, being able to find a just solution might seem natural, but should not be taken for granted. Today, these are considered important human rights, and fortunately, there are measures in place to protect them.